Hey guys, how to download FC25 on PC and laptop. Want to play FC25 on your PC or laptop but not sure how to download it safely? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest method to download FC25 step by step, without any errors or confusion. Stay with me, your game starts now. First of all, you need to download a game store on your laptop. Game Store Steam is a very good game store, but it is downloaded on my laptop. I will tell you my history. The link is in the description and download Steam from here. After downloading the Steam, create an account for this Steam and then search for FC25. And then click on FC25 and scroll down, then click on Add to Cards. And then click on View My Card. And click the Continue to Payment. Submit your payment here because how much is the payment for FC25? Submit it here, and after that your game will be added to the library. After that, go to the library and install the game from here.